Hate buffering, lag, and slow file transfers? Is your home network feeling sluggish, even with fast internet? Well, the secret to a lightning-fast network isn't a massive overhaul. It's a simple, affordable upgrade. The TP-Link TL-SG108-M2 2.5 Gigabit switch. It's the only switch you need for blazing fast NAS and 4K streaming. You don't have to be an expert. Just plug it in, and it works. Imagine your network is a single-lane road. This switch instantly widens it to 2.5 lanes. That means your data travels 2.5 times faster than standard internet. So what does that actually do for you? It means butter-smooth online gaming with less lag and a competitive edge. It means moving huge files, think video editing or NAS transfers, in seconds, not minutes. And it means saying goodbye to buffering with crystal clear 4K or even 8K streaming on every device. The best part? This switch future-proofs your network using the same Cat5e or Cat6 cables you already have. And you'll get all this speed in total silence. The fanless design means no noise, making it perfect for your living room, bedroom, or home office. Its durable metal casing also keeps it cool and reliable for years. It's robust, efficient, and ready to go. We appreciate your subscription to Hack Matters. It's free. In our next video, we show in depth an excellent network adapter from TP-Link, the TX201.